talk about how difficult it is to pronounce or spell or relate to the Chinese names. And so for the fourth time they write their name, this time with their English name and then their Chinese family name. And then I draw a line from their Chinese character name. I draw an arrow down to that final English name with a big question mark, and I say, what in the world do these two things have in common? And of course the commonality is it's all them. And so since I taught all writing classes, we then have a discussion about names, and I use different examples how Chinese authors use their names in Chinese characters. In one book, in a scholarly article, they have the English letters with a word order, and so that has been a very fruitful, interesting, and also sometimes amusing discussion to talk about their names, and they get to decide as authors how they want their name to look.